I've gone hands-on with more than 1,000 gadgets and tech tools in this, the strangest, toughest, and longest what feels like a decade but really has only been a year. Here are 3 standout tech themes for reasons that might surprise you. Number 1, 2020's hot gadget is the computer. Computers were boring for a while and sales trending down for like 9 years. But this year, these do-everything devices have become our lifeline to the outside world for work, play, connecting with each other. And laptops, well, these have totally morphed to meet the moment, including the stripped-down Chromebooks popular for remote schooling, PCs that double as tablets, and these state-of-the-art 2-in-1s like this latest Yoga 9i. This ushers in a new generation of portable, powerful laptops with all-day battery life and modern connectivity. Number 2, video games as a family affair. There's been a big switch in thinking about kids and screens and video games in the last few months. In this lonely pandemic world, kids need a safe way to get together to play, explore, create, and connect. And right now, well, this very well could be the best way to do it, with video games like Minecraft or the super sweet smash hit Animal Crossing New Horizons. I mean, imagine escaping to an island paradise where bags of money fall out of trees. If you haven't tried video gaming with your kids, now is the time. I know, I was not a gamer at heart, but this is actually so much fun. I used this Nintendo Switch and actually found this Animal Crossing New Horizons edition not sold out, not marked up, and it's a perfect way to play with up to 8 people in multiplayer mode. GameStop is my secret. Shh, don't tell anyone. And here we are with number 3, just STEM time for the holidays. Get it? STEM. These toys are the unsung heroes of 2020, and they bring total sanity-saving smart play to families everywhere. These bridge the gap between school and home with affordable, open-ended, adaptive, flexible, but most important of all, fun hours and hours of play. One of my toy tester favorites is this right here. It's called the Circuit Explorer. It's from Educational Insights. It keeps kids busy and off your last nerve with screen-free, easy-to-connect circuit-building sets that light up and twirl and drive around. There's really no limitations on what kids can dream up, build, and do. And I really like that it's getting more girls into STEM now, too. One more? Okay. Who had a Baby Alive doll when they were a little girl? Me, I did. Well, this Lovabella Mealtime Magic is the modern day version of that must-have and has been another giant hit with my littlest toy tester elves this year. Mia and Maya here, well, they are super expressive, realistic, and technologically advanced baby dolls. They react to these foods with more than 70 sounds and phrases. They blink their little eyes and so much more, minus those awkward, dirty diapers of that doll that I had growing up. I'm Jennifer Jolly. You can read more surprising gadgets and tech tools that have risen to the top this year in the tech section of usatoday.com. Okay, come here, I'll feed you now. Good.